Howdy
Prime
doody,
sub
chicken booties.
will
Oh,
be available the 4th. I guess I can't use it yet.
did you use it on somebody else? I mean, I
I
don't care.
must have, but I don't know who.
It don't matter to me.
I don't know.
You know, I don't care.
Uh,
Man.
push buttons.
Buttons
Where's
must
that?
push.
I was trying to figure out where the buttons were to push.
Oh, man.
There. Fix that. Holy shit.
All right,
Happy
so,
pants.
yes, what's up?
Hold on.
Did you break something? You subscribed for 7 months in a row?
2
Wait,
more months.
oh, man. 7 months, my guy.
2 more months and we'll need to pick out a name.
What kind of name? What do you mean? I'm confused.
What's 7 plus 2?
21.
You know, I've heard so many people mention that TikTok, I think it was, but I have never seen the video.
I think it was actually a YouTube video. I think there's something in my teeth. No, just kidding.
Oh. Okay. 7 plus 2 is
21.
and 9 months is
What up, Nick? I don't know. 7 plus.
9 months is a baby.
Uh-huh.
We'll need to pick out a name.
Oh, I get it. I get it. I get
Do
it.
I need to get the crayons or draw your picture?
What do you mean you see how it is? What up? How you doing?
Nerd.
I am
You do
confused.
look
What are
very
you talking
pretty,
about,
though.
Willis? Thanks.
I like your lacy shirt.
Thanks.
And of course your hair is always on point.
I don't hardly invite anybody anymore. Let's be honest.
We never know who to invite because everybody's usually either squatted up or whatever.
True. Every time, every time I go to invite somebody, they're always in a game or whatever. Man, these hiccups are tickling my throat hole. I don't even talk in my own Discord, bruh. Have you seen? I'm completely MIA. Besides just recently, I have barely said anything. I said Merry
Yeah.
Christmas.
She don't even talk to me.
Didn't even say Happy New Year. And then, yeah, that pretty much sums it up. Oh, and I mentioned about my surgery.
I pester her nonstop, and rarely does she even ever respond to me. So
So don't take
I
it
feel alone
personally.
with
Don't take it personally. Just
she's a busy mom.
it's that dangly thing that swings in the back of my throat, man.
Hubs, come massage her throat. She's got issues. It's just wrong. I don't want to do that stuff.
Oh man.
Well, so since he's complaining that we never invite him, he's clearly on. Does he need an invite?
Right. But he's in a party.
Oh, so we see how it is then. All right.
We say how it is. We say how it is.
All right.
You gonna raise Cain about not being invited when you can't even be invited. Every time I look at you when you're online, you're in a squad. So don't come at me sideways.